Hi, my name is Anahat and today I'm going to show you what happens if you don't be happy, because being happy is very important. So, let's start. This is the universe. Okay? And this always knows only two things. And this universe knows only two things: how to be happy and how to create. Now, this universe makes three smileys. It makes three smaller universes.
This is the universal energy, no?
And now there is a lady.
Who is that?
It's a man.
It's a person.
Yes.
Okay.
And now this universe energy comes here.
Okay.
And now this person likes okay?
What's that? Ice cream.
Yes.
Okay.
And now this universe goes and sits here.
Right. Ice cream is ICE. Okay. ICE.
And then now
Can you change this to I? It will be easier to read. I. Yes. Okay, great.
and now the person becomes happy.
Okay.
Now this is the same as this.
Okay. It's the universal energy.
Yes.
Okay.
And when you're happy, what happens is they both almost merge. Why they merge? Because
So one is the universal energy and the other one is the...
then this universal energy almost merges. So now what happens if you leave? There's a path between these two. There's a path.
Okay. So
Okay.
who is this?
This universal energy created this many small. Like this created these three.
Okay. So this is
And now one has gone here.
Okay.
So either this child can be happy at the thought of ice cream,
Okay.
or he can be sad that no, it's not coming.
Okay.
Okay, now what happens if he is happy? This path, there is a path between the universal energy and the person. Okay? So this path can either be closed or open.
Okay.
What happens if it's closed?
How is it closed?
Because the person is sad. So if it's open, then the universal energy will try to send the ice cream. But if it's closed, so the path is this much closed. Okay?
Okay.
It's closed.
This closes
And
when
now, when the person is sad, so now this universal energy is trying to send this ice cream.
Okay.
But
Can you draw a sad face here to show that the path closes when it's sad? Okay.
okay, so this universe is trying to send ice cream to this person. It will send.
Okay.
But since the part is closed, it's coming back.
Okay.
When it sends, it's coming back.
Okay.
Okay, now let's draw it. So what happens if the person is happy?
Okay.
Okay, so when the universal energy sends, the ice cream reaches the person.
Oh.
So it's very important, very important to always be happy.
Okay.
As you see, if you are angry, your path will get closed, and then the universe will not be able. Okay. So now there in the universal energy there is a magnet.
Oh.
Okay.
Okay.
Okay. So now this magnet has where it has to reach. Okay, this is its reaching point.
Okay.
Now, if you're happy, if this man is happy here, this magnet will try to stick to the reaching point. Can you see?
Okay. So this is the goal of
Yeah.
this man.
No, this is the goal of this magnet.
Okay.
So, if the man is happy, then it will stick.
Yeah.
But now see, it has the same goal. Now, if the man is sad,
Right.
then the magnet will try to stick. It will
Yeah.
come back. Stick. It will come back. So, it's very important to make your magnet stick and always be happy.
Okay.
So see, why to be happy? Because you will get what you want,
Yeah.
and you will not only get that.
Okay.
Let's see what else you will get.
Okay.
You will get what you like.
You can use that book.
No,
There's a
yes.
book next to you.
So you will get what you want. So let's see. You will get what you want.
Hmm.
You will get the ice cream.
Okay.
Okay, this is a chef ice cream.
Hmm.
And you will also get when you're sad.
What will we get when we are happy?
Okay?
So what is the other
So-
thing we'll get?
We will get ideas when we are happy.
Okay.
We will get what we want,
Mm-hmm.
and we'll get ideas when we are happy. So it's very, very important.
So
Like,
what will the ideas help us do?
the ideas will help us do this. Okay? So now the ideas will see.
Yeah.
Ideas. So suppose this is an idea, okay?
Right.
In a brain.
Hmm.
This is a person's brain.
Hmm.
The universe is sending ideas.
Hmm. Hmm.
This universe
Okay.
is sending ideas to this person's brain.
Right.
And this person is saying,
So what is the person getting ideas about? What is
let's read, let's draw.
it? Okay.
He's feeling excited.
Okay.
Excited.
So when we are bored and angry, what happens?
So now let's go to that.
Yeah.
When we are bored and angry,
You can use the book.
this happens. See.
Yeah, you can use any of these phrases. Yeah.
So when we are bored and angry, this is what happens. Okay? So now, this person is bored.
Right. Okay.
And now, the same thing happens.
Mm-hmm.
There's a pipe
Mm.
from the universe.
Okay.
And now, path is blocked.
Oh.
It seems like when a courier delivery comes
Okay.
and the door is closed,
Mm-hmm.
will the courier delivery go back or call you? It will go back.
Right.
No.
Yeah.
And after 10 days only it will call you. So the same thing will happen. It will try to send and it will come back.
Ideas. It'll try to send some ideas.
It will try to send both the things you want and ideas, and nothing will reach.
Okay.
Okay, so you will keep on being sad,
Mm.
then being sad, okay?
Okay.
And then you will finally forget.
You'll forget
Yeah.
being sad.
Then you'll become a little happy, then little more happy,
Okay.
then little more happy,
Okay.
and then you will become happy.
Very happy.
Yes, and now when this happens,
Yeah.
then your path will be open
Okay.
to the universe, will be
Okay.
open.
Yeah.
So when the path tries to send,
Yeah.
then when the path is open,
The courier delivery will,
reach.
the ice cream will reach. So,
It's very important to be happy.
but many people think that.
Many people think this. So first you have to get the ice cream.
Yeah.
Then you will be happy.
Okay.
But that is wrong.
Okay.
So what is right is, first you be excited. Then you get what you like.
Okay. Thank you. Is there anything else you want to say before we close?
No. So it's very important, very, very, very important to be happy.
Thank you.